Malachi, good girl. You did it. Yay.
Don't rip it off.
Oh, she's mad now.
Don't lick it off.
Be a good girl now.
Be goody good. Yes, she do. She looks mad.
She do. If anything makes a spray noise, she automatically don't like it. It make you feel better. Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know that the next few vlogs will be done on my cell phone because I got Windows Movie Maker to work today to get the Valentine's vlog up. But I still don't think it's working properly. So until I can get that figured out, I will edit my vlogs and upload them through my phone. Also, look how cute this is. I got it for Vanessa, mainly for me for Valentine's Day. And I love it so much. It's so big. But anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's why the quality is going to be a little bit different. But this camera is really good. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that the vlogs are going to be a little different. I will be doing them from my phone now for a little while until I can make sure either Windows Movie Maker is working or I can find a free program to use for now until I get something else. So anyways, yeah, today's vlog is just gonna be a little short one. It's just a few clips, but yeah, hopefully this works and it's okay for now, and hopefully Windows Movie Maker is back up and running like properly, because I like using it and it's fairly good for what it is, and I can't afford to buy editing software right now. So yeah, hopefully it works, and this is what you're getting for the next few days until I can get things figured out. So sorry. Hi guys, so now we're having corn on a cup. Yeah, nothing fancy today.
Not like we're having homemade pogos. Did you eat your pogos?
I finished them today.
Okay, that's good.
They're really good. I didn't get myself a spoon. Can I borrow your spoon?
Yeah.
No, okay. So yeah, right now we're just eating corn. I think I cooked it long enough.
Yes.
Anyways, that's what we're doing now. Anything you want to say?
I'm hungry. But I feel stomach sick at the same time, so.
Malachi just threw up. I think it's because she was overloading her stomach because
she hasn't been able to eat properly?
Yeah, because whenever she can get to food, she'll take it because Jazera usually growls at her for eating. So, and now she's playing with Jasper under the table and she just moved the table when she sat down.
Your dog's fat.
Malachi!
You realize that, didn't you?
What did you figure out how to do? Colin.
Jasper! Come here! Come here! Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? You got that on video. Please tell me you got that on video.
I did.
Oh, that was perfect.
I'm filming. That is so funny. That's the best dog shadow puppet I've ever seen.
I gotta give you a piece now.
I don't know why that's so funny to me.
It's just so perfect.
It is. It's so pleasing for a shadow puppet. No. Under her chin. Oh, that's so creepy. Oh my god, that's scary. Hi, Malachi. Say goodnight.
Night.
Night. Night. Night.
Sleep tight.
Good night.